Everyone, so I ventured down to Wales today. The weather's not not so great. It was completely fine until I crossed the border into Wales from England, and it was torrential rain, quite sketchy actually at times. But I've arrived in the Brecon Beacons with the hope to capturing some waterfall images. So I'm gonna have a walk down here in just a moment and see what the area has to offer. And yeah, just a matter of having a look and exploring and see what we can capture. So let's get on with it. Well, maybe in a moment. It's still raining a little bit, but yeah, let's crack on. This place is unbelievable. Obviously we've, as I mentioned earlier, had a heavy downfall of rain, and yeah, it's noticeable here for sure. I mean, we've not even hit the waterfalls yet, and I'm seeing mini waterfalls. You can see behind me. So yeah, I mean, if there's that much water here, hopefully we should better get some pretty dramatic waterfall images. I am jumping the gun here, might get nothing at all, but it certainly looks promising, I have to say. It's still autumn colours. Obviously a lot of the wind and rain knocks a lot of the leaves off the trees, which is unfortunate. Makes it even more of a shorter window than it already is. So, but there's still some leaves left on the trees. So yeah, feeling confident, but we know what happens when you feel too confident. You end up getting nothing, but we will see. All right, let's carry on. There's about a mile to go before we hit the first set of waterfalls, and yeah, take it from there. Okay, so I'm still walking to the waterfalls, and as I expected I might do, I've been sidetracked. I mean, I've spotted something here. It's not an amazing image, but I just feel as though I have to capture it. So, I mean, I'll show you on the back of the camera. You probably won't be able to see too well, but I want to start to set up the shot in a minute and see what it looks like on the back of the camera. Okay, so I've set up my camera just right in the middle of the track here. The idea is that there's going to be a leading line through the image. I don't know if you can see from the back here, but I have my camera set up here. I'll take you through the settings in just a moment. But it's a simple image. It's not groundbreaking, but I just think it looks nice. The autumn colours really add to it. The leaves which are on the path add to the image, and I'm focused right at the end of the path on a gate. That's essentially going to be my kind of subject, where the eye would be drawn into. And I think with a bit of post-processing and a bit of dodging and burning, darken the edges, lighten the areas which are already quite light, I think we can bring it to life, and I think it might look quite good. So we'll see when we get back. There is a little bit of light halfway down the path where there's a little bit of an opening in the trees. I think if we can enhance that in post-processing, it will look quite good. So yeah, let's see how we get on. So happy with that image. I really hope it comes out quite nice. I'm so happy that there's light. Really is a special place when there's light. Oh, what? I'll tell you what's a bit sketchy down here. I mean, no one wants to see me fall over, do they? hope you can hear me. Unfortunately, because of all the rain that we've had, all the waterfalls are completely blown out. They are angry, I would say. Very difficult to take photos. Lots and lots of spray. All my gear is soaking wet. I've been trying really hard to find a composition, but I have really struggled. I'll show you the scene behind me now, just to give you a bit of an idea of how crazy this scene currently is. So as you can see, it's almost impossible for me to take a photo here. The spray is absolutely ridiculous. I feel like I'm going to just go out the shower. So, all is not lost. I'm going to leave this area. I'm going to try and shoot some insolent woodland shots, hopefully. And yeah, we'll see what we can capture. But this is just like a washing machine. I'm absolutely shattered. Okay, so I've moved on. I did speak a little bit too soon. I found a spot where I can shoot a waterfall without all of the spray that comes with it. So I'm just perched on a ledge above the waterfalls here, looking up at some other waterfalls coming down from the valley here. I'll show you a quick video in just a second. So I've set the tripod up again with a 15 to 30 wide angle lens on this time. I want to try and get like a portrait image with everything in the scene, including some foreground foliage. I'm bracketing my shots again in manual and about F5, well I think F7 actually, changing the shutter speed to try and get different shots of the water. So obviously it's moving so quickly, you need a higher shutter. And I think it might look quite nice. There's a lot of mist around because of the water that's been hitting all the rocks and everything. It's all over the place, all over me as well, as you can see. But yeah, really confident we've got a nice image. Can't wait to get back and edit it. After this, I'm gonna walk back up the trail, see if we can get some more woodland images. But yeah, I mean, this is really special. I've never experienced waterfalls with such anger and velocity. It's pretty incredible, really. Right, so that's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked some of the images I took. Please check me out on Instagram. Bottom of the screen, Matt Beach Photography. Give me a follow or a like or anything like that. Please subscribe if you want to see more, and I will be doing more. So yeah, I'll see you next time. See ya.